Hello guys, I am a person who loves to roam around the countries. Now, I am in Bangladesh and I will show you the local street food of this country. Stay tuned with me. Now, what you are watching, this is called chicken chop, an item made of chicken with super duper gravy. It's look tempting and mouth-watering, though it's a spicy item. But the making process of this item is 100% hygienic. They use mustard oil for their cooking, and the smell of the oil is too good. This item is one of the famous items of local street food in Bangladesh. Basically, they use local ingredients for this dish. They use onion, tomato, capsicum, and some secret spices. This is served with plain roti or paratha. It's a delicious snack for every person in the evening. They also serve salad for this meal. You are welcome in Bangladesh and also come to Chittagong and must try this chicken chop once in a lifetime. I will ensure you that this dish will blow your mind.